In this video, you'll learn how to fix a black screen boot loop on your Pixel 5. This guide will walk you through several troubleshooting steps to help restore your device to normal functionality. Start by forcing a restart of your Pixel 5. Press and hold the power button for several seconds. If the screen remains unresponsive, combine this action by pressing and holding the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. Continue holding these buttons until you see the Google logo appear on the screen. This action helps to break the boot loop that may be caused by temporary glitches. It is crucial not to release the buttons too early to ensure the device restarts properly. If the problem persists after the restart, the next step is to boot your device into safe mode. Begin by pressing and holding the power button again. When the power menu appears, tap and hold the restart option until the safe mode prompt shows up. Confirm that you want to restart in safe mode. This mode disables any third-party applications that could potentially be causing the boot loop issue. Once the phone restarts, observe its behavior in safe mode to determine if it operates normally. Should the boot loop continue after trying safe mode, you may need to consider performing a factory reset as a last resort. To do this, first ensure the device is powered off completely. Use the button combination of power and volume down to enter recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, navigate using the volume buttons to highlight the factory reset option. It is important to select this option carefully as it will erase all data on your device. Confirm your selection and wait for the factory reset process to complete. After the factory reset has finished, your device will restart. This should resolve any persistent boot loop problems that have been affecting your Pixel 5. If the issue continues after a factory reset, it may be necessary to seek professional assistance as there could be underlying hardware issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.